Alright, so here's a 1997 Cougar XR7 with a 4.6 liter V8. It has 205 horsepower. Door like that. Pretty trashy inside. This door's all jacked up. I'm gonna vacuum this soon. That's what the back seats look like. Regular automatic. So your standard. As your park, reverse, neutral, drive, second or first, going down hills. It does not have a radio in it right now. You could put radios like that. This is the thing. The steering wheel's messed up. There is a battery hooked up to it, but it's pretty much dead. This is where you open the trunk. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a little click. There's a little bit of power, but not much. Nothing works on it right now. It has a mirror, cracked windshield. I think you can see the crack. Yeah, that's how that looks. It says its max on here is 120. This door is really shot at the outside. The paint, I haven't. That fell off. I just noticed that now. As you see, it has a little bit of power because it's able to do that. The tires are all flat. They're on blocks. The door, I need to take it off or whatnot. That's kind of jacked up. The trim. The door does not open on this side. You have to do it from the other side. The mirror is broken off. Tires. The front grille. The headlights. It's a Mercury. It needs those, that, and the manifold gasket is right up there. I think you can see it right under that stuff. It's right there, that black thing. Needs all the oils and all the tune-up basically. So yeah, this is my Mercury. Gorgeous project. Alright.